Most shoppers will not need to set up requisitions, but all carts will need to be converted into requisitions. Here, Rudy Redhawk is going to function as a requisitioner for our user named SU Shopper. To start, the top of the home page has Rudy's name and 4 icons. Rudy can click on his name and modify his profile information, like his phone number. Please note that we will not initially set up dashboards or set My Home Page views in ProcureSU. Next to Rudy's name, there are 4 icons. The first is a bookmark, represented by a star. By clicking on the icon, Rudy will have a list of all his bookmarks. In this case, he has bookmarked My Approvals. Next is a flag icon, which indicates there are items requiring action. The number 2 means there are 2 items requiring action. In this case, carts that have been assigned most likely for requisitioning. The bell icon represents notifications which can be sent via the application, email, or both. Here, Rudy has no notifications. Finally, there is a shopping cart. If there are products in the shopping cart, it will be shown with an amount next to it. This only shows the contents of one cart at a time. Let's open one and reject it. To do this, click on the Assign Cart button. Search for the shopper, in this case, SU Shopper. Under Action, choose Select, add a note to explain, and click on Assign. Note when we click on the flag again, it resets to one cart. Now let's process the cart that combines a push broom and computer peripheral. This starts by clicking on the blue shopping cart name. First, we need to select a commodity code. These will usually be pre-coded, but if not, click on the magnifying glass. Not knowing what the code starts with, we type in computer and press search. Then press select for the IT computer peripheral option. Since the next item is similar, we repeat or can copy-paste. We need to now repeat for the broom. Here, though, we start by typing in maintenance, selecting Equipment Facility Maintenance. When commodity codes are not listed automatically, there may need to be some trial and error involved in locating the appropriate code. At this point, the requisitioner is ready to prepare a requisition, and starts this by clicking on Proceed to Checkout. This opens a requisition screen that requires accounting codes. Should a requisitioner not know the accounting codes to use, she or he can look these up by clicking on the Require field text. Enter a unit like athletics, and select the appropriate fund. Then select an object code by clicking on Select from All Values. In this case, typing in computer on the description line. Then select Equipment Computer and complete by clicking on Save. Users can save code favorites and defaults to their user profile to save time and gain efficiency. Also, they can save orders and copy to new carts. Remember, this order contains a broom as well, and let's assume the broom is for an event. This will require different fund and object codes. To do this, go to the top of the requisition and click on Edit, then click on Add Split. Select a fund, then select the object code. Once the codes have been selected, determine the split, based on price, without tax or shipping and handling. The peripheral price being $10 and the broom being $31. Then click Place Order to launch the approval process, which will proceed depending on the commodity code and spend amount. In this tour, we have seen how commodity and counting codes are used to complete a requisition and launch the approval process. The progress of the requisition can now be monitored, which is discussed in the menu tour.